me, Jalen. I'm here with my cousin Angie, and I'm here with my little sister Lynette. And today we're gonna make fluffy slime. So we have our glue, our shaving cream, our bowl solution, and our spatula. So first we're gonna be starting with the glue. There you go. Wanna pour it in? No, you're pouring it in. Okay. Okay. Then Angie's gonna put the shaving cream. Okay. Shaving cream. Okay. Okay. Now what? Mix it up. And we'll just put the saline solution in. There you go. Whoa. Okay. Okay, you want to mix it, Lynette? Mm-hmm. Well, so come here, Andrew. Come here. Come on. Whoa, look at that, Andrew. You want to put more in? Let's put more in. Get a little pee. And you pour. There you go. There we go. Mix it, mix it, mix. You gotta mix, mix, mix. Come on. Whoa, what's that? 2 hours later. But like, not that. See if it works. Okay, go. Okay, whoa. It's getting together. Okay, sides. That noise that it makes is so weird. Mix. You see it, Andrew? Okay. Should we put more solution? Over here. Should we add a little more of this? Let's wait. This. Yeah. Here, Nancy. Come here, Andrew. Come here. Okay. I got some on my hand. Here, let Andrew mix it, Lynette. Okay, here, Auntie. My hands is getting tired. Now I just got them on. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep mixing. We gotta keep on mixing a lot. Should we put more shaving cream? Should we put a solution? Yeah, I guess we should. Should we put shaving cream? We put enough shaving cream for it. It's not. It doesn't look like it's turning to. Gonna take a lot long. Should we put shaving cream? Right there. Keep on mixing. Yeah, keep on mixing. I think we should put more shaving cream. Yeah. Okay. So guys, we got a borax now, just for like a little bit more activator. So
We got
bring the bowl.
a little bit of the bowl. And let's put like a little bit first.
Okay.
A little bit to see if it would.
To mix it.
Yeah, you can mix it.
Mix it. Mix it real good. Mix it real good.
Yeah, it's kind of activating, but it makes sense because there's like a chunks at the end. At the bottom. Oh. Yeah, it's kind of
This
mixing.
borax looks like the like blue.
Oh my god, I think it's working.
Oh my gosh,
It
look.
is working.
Yeah.
Yeah. Why don't we just pour it in now?
Okay.
Grab the.
Pour a little bit of it.
One. Here, can you grab this? Do you want to?
One.
Yeah, it's actually working.
Yeah.
There you go.
Come here, Andrew. Come here. Come over here. What is your purse?
Over here. That's so cool.
Here,
I guess
can I
borax works with the fluffy slime too. Yeah, it looks so chunky.
Sticky.
Oh my gosh. Whoa.
I think I should.
Let's see.
Can you see it? Okay.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Like get like the size. That's what I was gonna do.
It's really sticky.
Yeah.
Should we take it out?
No, I think it's too sticky like for
A little sticky.
to be on the table. Yeah. Take a look.
Isn't that sticky?
Let's not put any more contact solution.
Yeah, I think we need a little more. Should we touch it? No, I already touched it. It's a little too sticky.
Just like mix it because there's like a lot of chunks. Come here, Andrew. You want to mix? Come on. Can you bring Andrew over here? Come on, Dusky.
Should we add a little more?
You're gonna hold it. You go like hold it. And mix. Mix.
Let me add one more scoop of
More
borax.
scoop.
I know. Look at that.
I think next time we should bring
Look how
napkins.
this goes. Look.
I feel like next time we should bring napkins in case we get dirty.
Gosh. Got some strength there, Andrew. Look, guys. Look how it's forming. Looks like a big jumbo of marshmallows.
Yeah, we melted marshmallows.
Yeah.
Now you're making me hungry, guys.
Let's see. Should I bring? Let's take it out,
Here,
probably.
do you wanna?
Let's take it out.
Oh, it's kind of forming.
We got it out.
Oh,
It feels so disgusting.
Oh gosh.
J-Lo.
Oh my gosh. I took out the whole jumbo thing.
I know. Let's get the like
Let go.
out of the
we
bowl.
want it, yeah.
Let's put in a little more borax because it's a little more sticky.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Just pour it down.
Let's just put this marshmallow down.
I know.
Let's put that marshmallow down.
Here. Just like pour it in the middle, okay, Lynette?
Pour it in the middle.
Wait, mix it because it has like chunks of borax. Don't touch it with your finger. That could like burn your skin or something.
Guys, I'm gonna.
Okay.
Okay, like pour like the only. Yeah, then we'll just mix it. Yeah, mix it.
It feels a little chunky. Okay, there we go. We got, whoa.
I wonder how long does it
It doesn't stretch that good. I feel like the only thing that it will stretch is stretch.
Oh, I think this kind of
Fluffy.
worked, I guess.
Look. Oh, wow.
I feel like we should. I'm gonna turn it into my pancake.
Turn into your pancake. Doesn't this look like a marshmallow? You just wish to eat it, right?
I'm gonna eat it.
Um,
I'm gonna turn it into my
Look how
pancake.
much I ate.
Should put a little
Done.
shaving cream or something? Maybe to lighten it up so it can maybe be a little bit more stretchy.
Would it work?
Mm.
Here.
I haven't tried it.
Look at this beauty work.
So it's so. maybe.
Not that stretchy
I
that I
feel
thought
Last
of.
time that I made with borax, it didn't make any. It was
Guys, I
like,
can feel something like.
What else would
it
make
wasn't. It wasn't
stretchier?
stretchy, and right now we shouldn't have put like a little bit this way. But I know a way to fix it. You just like put it underwater underwater, warm, boiling, like boiling hot water, and it would like make it a little bit more stretchier.
Wait, you tried that once?
Yeah, I made it like really stretchy. Okay, like stretch it.
Well, like how stretchy was it?
Whoa! It was like, what did you do? Like a lot of stretchy, like.
Like a marshmallow?
I just want to eat this.
You like my twister?
Yeah.
I don't know why I want to eat this. It looks
Cause it looks like a marshmallow.
yeah, but it smells terrible. Guys, let's draw something.
Let's try to make a heart really, really fast. Whoever can do
Okay.
it fastest wins.
Okay.
I don't know how to draw.
Done.
Oh wait, no.
That's not a heart.
Crazy.
That's not a heart.
I don't know how to draw hard now. I remember how to draw it.
I'm stretching it really hard.
I did it.
That's not even a eye.
I made it. I formed it. Look at this glory.
I did it. I did it.
I don't even know.
I did it.
We did it. What do you guys think of our heart?
I think
Who
hers
do
is
you-
better.
Who? Comment below who's better, mine's, Angie's, or Lynette's.
Okay,
This
so
is how it looks.
I don't even know how
Let's
to
sample
draw.
1, 2, and 3.
okay.
Andrew, which one's better?
That oh, he said mine.
What? You're crazy.
Okay,
I don't even know.
so
My beard is
maybe so we can make it a little bit stretchier. We can put it in boiling like
Why
hot
not?
water.
Why not
Probably.
we can make a flower.
This is my beard now. No one can touch my beard. It is gorgeous. Oh, my beard ripped off. Okay, now we are gonna
Put our slime in, and you have to put hot water, like normal hot water.
We gotta make sure it was hot.
Yeah, you just have to put it like.
Look, it's cold. It's cold. It's cold. It's cold. It's cold.
Yeah, it's hot enough. So
I wanna put your slime in it.
you want to do this? Okay.
Get your slime out, girl. Get your slime out.
Just put that right there. Yeah, be careful. Put it in there. I think this is like you don't have to put boiling. I think you just like put it here and like put it like for 5 minutes, and it's good.
Right there.
Yeah, I think we should just do that. Let's see. Then you like play with it, and then it's all good.
Is it gonna make more stretcher?
Okay, let's see if it makes it more stretchy.
Like you have to keep it in there for like a good 5 minutes.
Okay, so now we wait.
Now we've got to wait.
We will come back when it's 5 minutes.
Bye.
So we put all of our slimes in the boiling hot water, and it's starting to be more stretchy.
Oh,
It's like a thunderstorm outside.
it looks like it.
Yeah, it's like a thunderstorm.
Oh, I gotta wait for mine to stop wetting too much.
Okay.
Okay, mine is like about to slip.
Mine's slippery.
Yeah. Guys, it smells good.
Yes, it does smell
Yeah, it really smells good.
It smells like marshmallow.
You know, I like going like this. I like going like that. I like the joy. I just like the noise.
Yeah.
But once we put it in hot water, it'll be marshmallow. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. I hope you guys like this video. Enjoy and like and subscribe. This video. Goodbye.